Hello guys, hope everyone is doing well. So I want to discuss about this problem right here. So here, if you carefully notice, before going to break it into factors, you can take an x on the numerator, so which would help you to cancel it off with the x in the denominator. So now the problem reduces to 5 minus x divided by x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. So from this example, I wanted to highlight you that when you get a problem, do not walk straight into it blindly. Just take a minute or two to see whether you can identify stuff like this. Otherwise you would have had to solve an extra variable. So when you break this up, you would get x minus 1 a over x minus 1 plus b over 2x plus 1. And now it's simple like the other problems we discussed. You take x minus 1 and 2x plus 1 as common denominator, and when you solve this, you would get a as 4 by 3 and you would get b as minus 11 by 3. And for the solving, you will get the partial fractions as 4 over 3x minus 1 minus 11 over 3x minus 2. That's it guys. And the other problem, x plus 2 divided by x squared minus 6x plus 8. You can write x squared plus x squared minus 6x plus 8 as x minus 2, x minus 4. And then you can write it as a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 4. And like the previous sums, take x minus 2 and x minus 4 common, so you will end up like this. Pretty much easy, isn't it? So when you solve this, you would get a as minus 2 and b as 3, and by substituting into partial fractions, you will have minus 2 over x minus 2 plus 3 over x minus 4. Yeah, I hope you got this one right. Yeah, hope to see you in another video.